Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are which customary unit of length is appropriate, customary units of length word problems, which customary unit of weight is appropriate, which customary unit of volume is appropriate. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is unit of measurement. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is which customary unit of length is appropriate. Let's just start with the first lesson. Which is better estimate for the length of a belt? So basically, you are given more than one unit of length, right? You have to see which of the unit is appropriate. Like for example, here you are given the length of the belt. So two of the units you are given are yard and inch, right? So inch is too short for the belt. That would be 1 yard. 1 yard is a better estimate. Okay, let's just start with the test questions because here you are not given with the options. You guys are here to learn, so just focus on the learning. You are not allowed to chat here. Just answers the question I am asking, otherwise, I will block you. Which is a better estimate for the length of a bath mat? 2 feet 2 inches, which is the correct option. Both feet and inches are the unit of the length, right? But you have to see which is appropriate. Inches is a very small unit, that is a bath mat. So obviously it would be 2 feet. The correct option is 2 feet. The correct option is 2 feet. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the length of a parking space? 7 yards 7 inch, which is the correct option. The correct option is 7 yards. 7 because 7 inches is too small for the length of the parking space, right? So that would be 7 yards. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the length of a TV remote? 11 inches 11 yard, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 11 inches because 11 yards is too long for the remote. That is just 11 inches. Got it? Which is a better estimate for the height of a car, that is 5 inch or 5 feet? The correct option is height of the car. 5 inches is too small. That would be 5 feet. The correct option. Inches is a very smaller unit, right? You have the ruler in your house. Go find the ruler from your geometry box. You can see you on the ruler you have mentioned the inches, right? So inches is a very small unit. That would be 5 feet. Which is a better estimate for the length of a basketball court? 29 feet, 29 yards. Which is the correct option? Right? B, it would be 29 feet because 29 yards it is. Sorry, that is a basketball court, so that would be 29 yards. Very good. Okay, which is a better estimate for the length of an airplane? 44 yards or 44 feet? Which is the correct option? Length of an airplane. Yes, that would be 44 yards because 44 feet is too small for the length of an airplane. Very good. Which is a better estimate for the height of a robin? 10 feet, 10 inches. Which is the correct option? That is 10 feet. Yes, but I think 10 feet is too much. That would be 10 inches. The correct option is 10 inches. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is customary unit of length word problems. Let's just start with the next lesson. And Arlet's front yard, the pine tree is 19 feet tall. The oak tree is 1 feet taller than the pine tree. The maple tree is 8 feet The maple tree is 8 feet shorter than the pine tree. Which tree is taller than 19 feet? Okay, which tree is you have to see which tree is longer than 19, right? So you are given the length of the pine tree is 19 feet, right? Just read the question carefully, understand the question. Pine tree is 19 feet. Oak tree is 1 foot taller than pine tree, right? Pine tree is 19. 1 foot taller means 19 plus 1 equals 20. Oak tree is 20 feet, right? So which tree is longer than 19 feet? Pine tree is 19. Maple tree is 8 feet shorter than pine tree, right? 8 feet shorter means 19 minus 8, that would be 11 feet. So that means the one that is greater than 19 feet is oak tree. The correct option is oak tree. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So just read the question carefully and understand the question. Vane's couch is 7 feet long, right? The length of the Vane's couch is 7 feet long. Jenny's couch is 2 feet longer than Jenny's couch is 2 feet longer than Vane's, right? So Vane's couch is 7. 2 inch longer means 7 plus 2. That would be 9 feet, right? Alice's couch is 1 foot shorter than Vane's. So Al 9 1 foot shorter, right? 7 minus 1 equals 6 feet. Which couch is longer than 8? Which is the correct option? That is Jenny's couch because Jenny's couch is 9 feet. Got it? Yes, that is option 1 is the correct option. Jenny's couch is longer than 8 feet. The correct option is Jenny's couch. At the children's clothing shop in the mall, tank tops are 18 inches long. Sweatshirts are 2 inches longer than tank tops. How many inches long are sweatshirts? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 12. How? The tank tops are 18 inches long and the sweatshirt is 2 inch longer than tank top. So tank top is 18. 2 inch longer means 18 plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20, isn't it? That means the sweatshirts are 20 inches long. The correct option is 20. Do not guess the answers. Understand the question and then answer. No's ice cream cone is 7 inches tall. Levin's ice cream cone is 4 inches taller than No's. Who has the shorter ice cream cone? Which is the correct option? Who has the shorter one? No's ice cream is 7 inches tall, right? Yes, very good. No has the shorter ice cream. The correct option is no. In, pa- in Pamela's living room, the rug is 6 feet long. The bookshelf is 2 feet longer than rug. The couch is 2 feet shorter than rug. How many feet long is the bookshelf? So, which is the correct option? The bookshelf is very good option. Number one, it is that is 8 feet long. May's bench is 6 feet long. Annie's bench is 2 feet longer than May's. And Troy's bench is 3 feet shorter than May's. Who has the longest bench? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. Annie has the longest bench. The correct option is Annie. Janet's shovel is 18-inch long. Leslie's shovel is 2 inch longer than Janet's. Trion's shovel is 5 inch shorter than Janet's. Whose shovel is longer than 19 inches? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That is Leslie's shovel. That would be more than 19 inches, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is which customary unit of weight is appropriate. Let's just start with the next lesson. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a picnic table? You have 37 pounds and 35 ounces. So basically, pounds and ounces, they both are the unit of weight, right? You have to see which of them is the appropriate unit. So pounds is a smaller unit and ounces is a bigger unit. So that is a picnic table. So it must weigh 37 pounds. Sorry, ounces is a smaller unit, right? Pounds is a bigger unit. It weighs 37 pounds, right? 16 ounces equal 1 pound. Got it? So ounces is a smaller unit and pounds is a greater unit. Let's just start with the test questions. That's exactly the same one. Which is the better estimate for the weight of the picnic table? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 37 pounds because ounces is a smaller unit. That is a picnic table, so it must weigh in pounds. That is 37 pounds. Which is better estimate for the weight of a bicycle helmet? 14 pounds, 14 ounces. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 14 ounces, right? That second one is the correct option. That is just a helmet. So that is 14 ounces. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a cat? 10 pounds, 10 ounces. Which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 10 ounces because that is a cat, so it must weigh in ounces. 10 pounds is not too much for the cat, right? It must be a healthy cat. That's the second one, right? 10 pounds it is. The next one is which is a better estimate for the weight of a pair of socks? Pair of socks, that must be 6 ounces, right? Yes, ounces is a smaller unit and pounds is a bigger one. 16 ounces makes 1 pound. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a chicken? 6 ounces 6 pounds, which is the correct option. The correct option is 6 pounds. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a box of crackers, which is the correct option. The correct option is that is 6 ounces. Pounds is I think too much. That is 6 ounces. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a golf club? 1 pound 1 ounce. Golf club. Weight of the golf club 1 pound. The correct option is 1 pound. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a water balloon? 5 pounds 5 ounces. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 ounces. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is which volume is appropriate. Let's just start with the next lesson. So let's just start with the test questions because in the tutorials you're not given with the options. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a washing machine? 23 cups, 23 gallons. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 23 gallons, right? Because 23 cup is too small for the washing machine. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a coffee mug? Which is the correct option? The correct option is coffee mug. That would be 25 tablespoons or 25 quarts. The correct option is 25 tablespoons. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a bucket, 38 pints or 38 fluid ounces? Which is the correct option? Pints is a smaller unit, right? That is a bucket. So it must be 38 fluid ounces. Hmm. Yes, fluid ounces is a smaller unit. Sorry. Fluid ounces is a smaller unit. That must be 38 pints. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next one. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 quarts. The correct option is option number 2, that is a bathroom sink. So, that must be 3 quarts. 3 teaspoons is too little. Got it? Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the volume of a bottle of glue? Which is the correct option? The correct option is bottle of glue, right? That would be 1 tablespoon. The correct option is 1 tablespoon. Bottle of glue, but the bottle of glue is too small, isn't it? Which is the better estimate for the volume of a paper shaker? 2 gallons, 2 fluid ounces. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 fluid ounces. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a can of tomato juice? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 46 teaspoons. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a plastic shopping bag? Which is the correct option? That would be 5 tablespoons. But 5 tablespoons is also too little. 5 pence it is. The correct option is 5 pence. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is unit of measurement. And the lessons we have covered today are which customary unit of length is appropriate, customary units of length word problems, which customary unit of weight is appropriate, and which customary unit of volume is appropriate, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask question. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.